Hi guys, my name is Priyanka. Dettol liquid hand wash has become a basic need in my household due to its amazing performance in keeping our hands clean and free of harmful germs. Let me tell you more about it.
This powerful liquid hand wash contains more than 85% natural ingredients along with multiple plant derived cleansers. It contains no TCC or triclosan, thus offering a super safe solution for cleaning your hands. It is formulated with a strong antibacterial formula which delivers powerful germ protection for hygienic and clean hands. It protects you and your entire family from 100 illness causing germs, and hence it must be used multiple times a day.
Dettol liquid hand wash has helped my family maintain a level of cleanliness that has kept us away from unavoidable illnesses. You must try this product.